inconveniences of flood victims caused by the controlled spillage of the Akosombo Dam, the Volta River Authority VRA has donated trucks of relief items estimated to be worth over 1 million Ghana cedis to affected persons. The items included toiletries, bags of rice and sugar, plastic bucket with bowls, mattresses, canned food, drinking water, among others. The authority is also providing affected residents with portable water through both sachet water supply mechanisms and water tanker services. Handing over the items to NADMO officials and the Emergency Management Committee (EMC) at the North Tongue District Assembly on October 13, 2023, Deputy CEO in charge of services, Engineer Kenneth Arthur, said the authority will continue to stand with flood victims through these trying periods across the 9 affected districts.
VRA has already collaborated with NADMO to bring some relief items. But what you are seeing now, we seek to intensify our humanitarian efforts to bring in more relief items. So that is what you're seeing here. So basically, we are targeting 9 districts in all. We joined NADMO to donate the first batch of items at Central Tongue, that's at Didobe. We are here now at North Tongue, and we'll be looking at the other districts. So basically, we have food items like rice, mackerel, and then some cooking oil, and then sanitary things like toilet rolls, etc. These are, different items that we're sending to the different areas. I must also say that we have a water tanker in the locality, that is supplying potable, clear water to all the affected people, especially those who have been moved to the safe havens, as well as the households who need that service. We have promised that we are going to be with the people until this storm is over. As I said earlier, we've already donated to NADMO, to supply some relief items, and we are intensifying it, as you can see here. So we are committed to make sure that throughout the storm, we bring relief to the people who have been evacuated from their original homes until this flood recedes.
Speaking to Joy News after receiving the items, Deputy Director General of the National Disaster Management Organization, NADMO, Saji, commended the VRA for the gesture, saying the donation will help bring some respite to the flood victims.
The general issue is that as safe havens, we are trying as much as possible to provide all those facilities to make their stay there, give them some comfort. It will not be like their homes, but we are trying to get that done. We know that some of the safe havens don't have those washroom facilities, but we are trying to get something done about that.
Meanwhile, the District Chief Executive for North Tongue, Divine Feno, mentioned that the Assembly will continue to work with the VRA to ensure the flood victims, especially the aged and children, are provided with the best care at their safe havens.
For now, at one of the centers, we have agreed that we group the people into numbers, so we serve them accordingly. Some health personnel have also been sent there to take care of their health needs as well. The aged are especially taken care of, especially when it comes to the food distribution. Their needs are attended to first before the younger ones. But the children, yesterday, when we were serving, I was part of the serving. I was serving the kids, the children first, the elderly, and before we get to those, the youth and other people.
The Volta River Authority, however, maintains that it will strike a fine balance between protecting the integrity of the Akosombo Dam and mitigating the impact of the flood on lives and properties. Carlos Caloni, Joy News.